Welcome to BIR Matters Guide. Ang videong ito ay in connection sa Republic Act No. 11976, otherwise known as the Ease of Paying Taxes Act. In relation dito, naglabas ang BIR ng Revenue Regulations No. 6-2024, kung saan makikita dito na maliit na ang mga penalties ng taxpayer classified as micro and small taxpayer. For the information of everybody, pag ang taxpayer po ay na-late mag-file ng tax returns, na-late mag-submit ng information returns, at nagkamali sa pag-issue ng resibo sa customer, mayroon po yan corresponding penalties sa tax code or other related revenue issuances, tulad ng surcharge, interest, at compromise penalty. Pero, dahil po sa Ease of Paying Taxes Act, pag ang micro at small taxpayer nagkaroon ng mga violation sa BIR, ang penalties po na kanilang mababayaran ay mas maliit na kumpara doon sa mga malalaki na taxpayer like doon sa mga classified as medium and large taxpayers. Ayon dito sa R6-2024, pag ang micro at small taxpayer nagkaroon ng mga sumusunod na violation: failure to file any return and pay the tax due thereon as required under the provisions of the tax code or rules and regulations on the date prescribed. Failure to pay the deficiency tax within the time prescribed for its payment in the notice of assessment. Failure to pay the full or part of the amount of tax shown on any return required to be filed under the provisions of the tax code or rules and regulations, or the full amount of tax due for which no return is required to be filed on or before the date prescribed for its payment. Ang surcharge na kanilang mababayaran ay 10% na lang ng basic tax, hindi na yung dati na 25% sa basic tax. Pero kung ang violation ni micro at small taxpayer ay willful neglect to file a return within the period prescribed by the tax code or by rules and regulations, or for false or fraudulent filing of return, ang penalty na i-impose sa'yo ay 50% pa din ng basic tax, or tulad pa din ng dati kasi sinasadya mo ang violation. Pagdating naman sa interest na penalty, from 12% na interest, 6% na lang ang mababayaran ni micro and small taxpayer kung mayroon siyang hindi nabayaran na tax on time. Pagdating naman sa failure to file certain information returns, like in case of failure to file an information return, statement or list, or keep any record, or supply any information, as may be required, on the date prescribed therefore, a penalty of 500 pesos shall be paid for each such failure by the covered taxpayer, upon notice and demand by the Commissioner of Internal Revenue. In no case shall the aggregate amount to be imposed for all such failures during a calendar year exceed 12,500 pesos. Dati kasi ang penalty dito ay not less than 1,000 pesos but not more than 25,000 pesos. Kaya ngayon, kalahati na lang para sa micro and small taxpayers. Pagdating naman sa compromise penalty, ang violation lang under Section 113, 237, at 238 ng tax code ay ang mayroon 50% na reduced penalty. Ang Section 113 ay para ito sa pagreresibo ng mga VAT-registered taxpayer, kaya kung may violation si micro at small taxpayer dito, ay makaka-avail siya ng 50% na lang na penalty. Ang Section 237 naman ng tax code ay para ito sa pag-issue ng resibo, kaya kung may violation dito, 50% na lang ang mababayaran. Ang Section 238 naman ay para ito sa paggawa ng resibo ng mga printer, kaya kung ang printer na micro or small taxpayer ay may violation dito, 50% na lang ang mababayaran niya. Ang reduced penalty ay ma-avail lang ng micro at small taxpayer kung ang violation ay nangyari from January 22, 2024 onwards. So, kung ang violation mo ay noon pang year 2023, hindi ka po makaka-avail ng reduced penalty. Another reminder is that, ang reduced penalty ay para lang ito sa may mga business. Kasi kung ikaw ay employee tapos na late ka mag-file ng income tax return, hindi ka makaka-avail ng reduced penalty kasi hindi ka naman engaged in business. So, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.